Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for June 16 to 30, 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Let's see, Pisces, what's up with you? June 16 to 30, energy update para sa mga Pisces. Okay, let's see. Wow. New beginnings for some of you. Bottom of the deck, 8 of Pentacles. You've been working so hard. So, maaring meron kang bibigyan ng focus attention sa career, sa work mo. Meron kang minamaster dito eh. Meron kang mga gustong makitang resulta. Yung mga pinagpaguran, pinaghirapan mo. Six of Swords, yes, you are moving to a calmer waters, no? Kumbaga, yung iba sa inyo, kung meron mang stress or conflict na na-experience ka before, mas pipiliin mong umiwas na lang doon. Knight of Cups, you have the High Priestess. I feel like, you are more sensitive to your feelings, na parang if alam mo na hindi ka, kumbaga, kung alam mo emotional ka at this point, you will not let that get into your head, na kumbaga, hindi ka magpapa-apekto sa emotions mo. But you respect your emotions, alam mo kung ano nararamdaman mo, kaya lang, I feel like mas nagiging maingat ka lang ngayon. Dahil, syempre, di ba, sometimes, kapag tayo emotional, may mga nasasabi tayo na mga bagay na pwedeng pagsisihan lang natin in the future, no? So, for you, you are being very careful in expressing your emotions. Kasi iba, pwedeng violent yung kanilang reactions or yung kanilang actions na gagawin. So, let's see your overall energy. You have the Emperor, energy to ng Aries. So, I feel like you are more structured, no? Ngayong second half ng June. Yung mga plano mo, yung mga gusto mong gawin, yung mga goals mo, meron kang plano kung paano mo yun maisa sa katuparan. Iba sa inyo, meron din kayong energy ng pagiging ang tawag nito, entrepreneur, no? Businessman, businesswoman. You have the Ace of Cups as your challenge. Maaring meron nagsisimulang romantic connection or feelings for someone na hindi nyo masabi, or parang nagdadalawang isip pa kayo na, i-try. You have the Wheel of Fortune as your opportunity. So, travel opportunities for some of you, pagbabago ng sitwasyon, a much better situation for some of you. Meron kayong opportunity na baguhin ang mga bagay na hindi nyo na gusto sa nangyayari sa buhay ninyo. And your blessing is the Strength card. You have all the strength that you need. Meron kang sapat na lakas para ma-handle mo yung mga kailangan mong ma-experience, no? Kahit mga challenges pa yan. So, whatever you want to change in your life, na sa tingin mo kailangan mo nang baguhin, may kapangyarihan ka na baguhin yan. Okay? Speaking of kapangyarihan, you are the Magician. Oh, you have the Four of Cups. So, pagdating sa money, career, finances, I feel like meron kang situation ngayon na hindi ka na masaya, hindi na fulfilled, parang feeling mo may kulang, wala nang excitement. So, ngayon, yun yung isa sa babaguhin mo. You will try new things para meron kang, you have something to look forward to. So, example, medyo boring yung trabaho mo. So, pwedeng magsisimula ka ng isang bagong pag-aaralan para merong madagdag sa skill set mo, sa knowledge mo, na pwede mong pagkakitaan in the future. Okay? So, pagdating sa love life naman, you have the Two of Pentacles and the Queen of Wands. So, some of you may be very busy at this point. Pwedeng wala kayong masyadong oras at panahon sa inyong romantic partner. Pero, meron kayong kakayanan na magbigay ng oras at panahon kung talagang gusto nyo lang, no? Siyempre, depende yan kung yung partner mo, understanding, may intindihan kung bakit medyo less yung iyong oras at panahon sa kanya. If you are in a long distance relationship, this can be very challenging. Pero sabi nga nila, kung gusto may paraan, kung ayaw maraming dahilan, di ba? So what is the Emperor? You have the Seven of Pentacles. This is an opportunity for you na matagal mo nang hinihintay. Pwedeng meron kang leadership role na i-assume ngayong second half ng June. This is coming into fruition. So yung mga in-effortan mo, trinabaho mo, makikita mo na yung resulta nun. The Ace of Cups is the Page of Swords. Yeah, I feel like yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong nakilala online, pwede sa dating app or sa Instagram, anywhere online, sa internet, na parang may potential na maging romantic partner, but you are scared, no? Natatakot ka lang na baka hindi yun mag-workout kasi syempre sa internet siya nagsimula, it's not that easy. But actually, no, marami rin namang mga success stories sa relationship na sa ano lang sila nagkita sa internet, doon sila nagkakilala, doon sila nag-start, or yung iba naman sa mga dating app. So, kaya kailangan kilalanin mong maigi. Okay? The Wheel of Fortune is the Ace of Swords. Meron kang bagong idea that will bring more opportunities sa'yo. Can be sa business idea, creative idea sa trabaho mo, or sa special projects mo. What is the Strength card? Queen of Vessels. Okay, Queen of Vessels, this is about your creative talents and skills. Yung something na you're passionate about. So I think meron kang i-explore na passion mo na pwedeng kailan mo lang nalaman or na-discover. But I think you will give yourself more time to get to know or to see, to discover, explore yung iba mong kakayanan. And if you are in a relationship, I feel like mas lalong magiging strong yung connection mo with your person. The Magician is the Judgment card. So there's reinvention. I feel like i-reinvent mo yung sarili mo sa work, sa trabaho, sa career. Pwedeng, let's say for example, dati kang nurse, pero meron kang talents and skills sa drawing, sa graphic design. So pwedeng lilipat ka na ng industry. Magiging graphic designer ka na. Things like that. So you have the Four of Cups, the Two of Pentacles. I also feel that hindi mo naman to basta-basta gagawin ng parang nagmamadali, no? Kung meron kang work ngayon, you will stay in that work, in that job, habang dinidiscover mo or ine-explore mo yung iba mong options. Okay? So, let's see, what is the Two of Pentacles? The Empress. Okay, if you're single, you will definitely focus on taking care of yourself. Mas aalagaan mo yung sarili mo, mas bibigyan mo ng attention yung sarili mo, at maaring ikaw ay lalabas, makikipagkaibigan sa maraming tao, no? Going out. That is how you meet someone. No? One of the best ways to meet someone is to go out, connect with people. So I think yan yung gagawin mo. But if you are already in a relationship, I think meron kayong mga gagawin na fun activities with your romantic person para mas lalong maging matatag yung inyong relationship. There's also truth. Meron katotohanan, mabubunyag, malalaman about you or a person that is close to you. There's also a major decision that you have to deal with right now. Pwedeng related ito sa career path ninyo, which path to take. But I think, no, itong truth to be told is like clarity, no? Kaliwanagan kung ano talaga yung makakabuti for you. Kasi meron dito maraming arrows, parang nasa crossroad siya, nagtatry siyang mag-decide. So, itong truth na to is like, you will know your truth, kung saan ka talaga masaya, kung saan ka mas magiging fulfilled. Initiations be open through this transitional time. So, there are some changes, and I think you will go with the flow, kung saan ka dalhin, ng tadhana as long as you love, mahal mo kung saan, mahal mo tong gusto mong subukan, no? So, kumbaga, you will not, hindi ka rin naman resist kung may mga bagay na nangyayari na hindi mo gusto sa una, pero pwedeng marirealize mo, kaya pala nangyari yun is because ito yung way para makarating ako dito. Okay? Sa kung saan path ang gusto mo. So, that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. Bye!